My name is Delene Grant, Ontario Superior Court of Justice, motion record and order. August 2021, continued. Damages. Ontario Superior Court of Justice. The court was no different from the lawyers. How could they accept the mess created by these lawyers? The statement of claim created for Bell Canada, Bell Mobility Inc., Manufacturers Life Insurance Company and Industrial Alliance and Financial Services Inc., Manufacturers Life Insurance Company and Industrial Alliance and Financial Services Inc., and Bell Mobility Inc. combined. Where was the statement of defense for Bell Canada? Where were the statements of claim for defense? No, where were the statements of defense for Manufacturers Life Insurance and Industrial Alliance and Financial Services Inc.? Where were the statements of defense for Manufacturers Life Insurance Company and Industrial Alliance and Financial Services Inc. and Bell Mobility Inc.? The court sent police officers from the court during COVID to my home to drop off huge stacks of documents because I refused to accept the false documents via UPS, Federal Express, and mail. The court ordered that payment for lawyer's fee could be obtained from my property. You see the confusion here? And the Superior Court went along with this? Who can you trust, eh? Ontario Superior Court of Justice, motion record. Tab 1. Affidavit of Manon Lacroix, sworn on August 18, 2021. Number 1, deception accepted by the Court of Law, motion August 23, 2021. The Manufacturers Life Insurance Company and Industrial Alliance Insurance and Financial Services Inc. and Bell Mobility Inc. This is a combined statement of claim, right? That's the number there, 2786, right? Statement combined, created under false pretense by Adrian NICOLINI, NAIMARK law, and Hussein Muftadiri, HICKS MORLEY law. You knew what they were doing, as you can see here. So it was a part of this. The Superior Court accepted it, I tell you. There it is. All right. August 23rd, 2021. Throughout my short-term disability, I was in communication with MANULIFE Insurance Montreal's office. Why Toronto's address? Why Toronto? It's supposed to be Montreal. Okay. They didn't know anything, so they can do anything. Anything they feel like, because the case was theirs, not mine. All right. Please feel free to review. Okay. 2786. And remember, it's combined. It combined included Bell Mobility, as you can see. All right. Combined 2786, is combined here. So affidavit of Manon Lacroix, sworn on August 18, 2021. So these are the page numbers, and these are we're dealing with tab 1 right now. Then I'm going to go to from A to Q. All right. The majority of them are there. All right. Proofs. Okay. As we go along. So now I'm on tab 1. Okay. As you can see. Tab 1. And this is the affidavit of Manon Lacroix, I guess. You see they have the combine. Okay. 2786. See how confused they are. Okay. It's of the city of Ottawa. This person, Manon, is of the city of Ottawa in the province of Ontario, right? And he said here, I'm a senior disability claims consultant of the defendant, the Manufacturers Life Insurance Company. Okay. Okay. And as such, have knowledge of the matters which I hear in after depose. Please feel free to read, because as I said, everything is set up to go against me. So whatever is there is not me, is what the lawyers did. Okay. This is a continuation of Manon's report from the previous slide. Please feel free to pause and read. As you go along, you'll see the word plaintiff all over. Plaintiff, plaintiff, plaintiff. Does it you know it's not me? It is not me. It's Adrian NICOLINI of NICOLINI Law who pretended to be me. Isn't that against the law? Yeah. This lawyer pretended to be me. I didn't know anything, didn't know what was going on. I retained Adrian NICOLINI for WSIB, Workplace Safety Insurance Board, because I was injured on the job at Bell Mobility. Okay? And when I was fired from my job, while I have a lawyer. I was a bit surprised about that. I was fired in May 2018, okay? And Adrian NICOLINI stated that he would be suing. So I should visit his office on June 5th, 2018, which I did. And when I did, I was not retained on that day. I had a lot of information to prove, So not knowing the process, I left copies of my documents with Adrian NICOLINI, thinking that, all right, he will review and call me at a later date, all right, to be retained. And I didn't hear from Adrian NICOLINI Law for months until when my WSIB claim was suspended in October 2018. I then realized that this lawyer did nothing for me. That was the reason why I lost my job in the first place. Wow. So in January 2019, 7 months later, I tried to take my business elsewhere. And that's when Adrian NICOLINI realized that and then falsely created statements of claim. Again, without my involvement, I guess signed my signature or something, but claims were presented as if they were my lawyer, and I did not retain this firm. Please feel free to review my previous presentation. I've already been through details of it. I'm not going to go through it again. Just gave you a summary there of how we have reached this point. All right, I have made doodles here. Please feel free to pause and read. I know that MANULIFE insurance short-term disability and not long-term disability, right? And MANULIFE actually owe for 1 month, okay, short 1 month salary and benefits, because they prematurely stopped my benefits and salary at that time, and also for damages. Yes. Please feel free to visit MANULIFE's presentation that contains all the details. Yes, you see all the damages. Okay, on the number 12 here, stated by letter dated September 18, 2018, MANULIFE served the plaintiff. See that word? Served? Served the plaintiff with a copy of their notice of intent to defend and inquired if the plaintiff counselor had obtained instruction. Please feel free to pause and read. All right, so who did they serve? All right, where and when did this happen? Because I have no knowledge at all. All this was just a part of their plan. They just knew how to work the system. So they shut me out and just pretended to be me and did their own thing. See, please feel free to review. Thank you. Please feel free to read. I didn't go through all of it. It's nonsense. Didn't want to waste my time. Okay? Please feel free to read if you wish. I'm not the plaintiff. Doesn't you know that? Okay? NICOLINI Law thoughts and mine. NICOLINI Law thoughts and mine are not the same. The firm did their own thing. So doesn't you know that? All right? NAIMARK Law knew of the deception of and follow suit. I was shut out of the decisions. All right? Wow. Still combined. All right. Okay. See? Still combined. And now we're going to statement of claim A. And this is interesting. If you know what we're dealing with here, you see combined. We're dealing with 2786. We're supposed to be the MANULIFE Insurance Company and Industrial Alliance Insurance and Financial Services. I still do not agree with that, but that's what the statement of claim. That's what they originally had before they decided to combine and include bare mobility. So since they include bare mobility in September 2020, I'm refreshing your memory here. In September 2020, they said that bare mobility do not want them combined, and that was for a reason why it's combined, to confuse my case. So why does the court put in through the combined information? You understand me? And as you go along, you will not see the combined. You're going to see something different. All right? So here we go. So we're dealing with A, tab A, statement of claim issued on July 3rd, 2018. Okay? Tab A, statement of claim with issue date of January 3rd, 2018, which I received on January 10, 2019. Certified copy, corrected by NAIMARK law to cover up the exception of NICOLINI law, which I received on September 10, 2020. Yeah, upon my request. I didn't know that until then. All right. Submitted to motion. All right. January 7th, and I was talking to Kevin Marshall Law. Okay, that's when I became aware of statement of claim. All right. And as you can recall, Ashlyn on January 10th, 2019, Ashlyn Steele from NICOLINI Law on January 10th submitted statement of claim to me, both long-term disability and wrongful dismissal. All right. Here it is. And remember, the statement of claim, they said, is dated July 3rd, 2018. And what date is this? Thursday, 10th of January 2019. And that's when I got them. All right. Nothing explained. And that's when Ashley Steele said to me, oh, statement of claim is over the top. It's not what it usually is. It can go down from there or something like that. Remember that, okay? NICOLINI Law Firm, when he submitted it like that, 2786, right, NAIMARK law, it was not certified actually, right? NAIMARK law got it certified. So as you can see, it looks the same. All right. NICOLINI Law Firm, we went through this already, July 3rd, 2018. And please feel free to review because they have the wrong information. I did not work for, I did not deal with this, and not in Toronto here, but in Montreal, as you can see. Please feel free to review. The NAIMARK law did the same thing. There was just a signature, no name, but NAIMARK law got a name. Okay, please feel free to review. NICOLINI law says July 3rd, 2018 here. The information still incorrect. NAIMARK law, they didn't put in the date, they didn't put the stamp, eh? Okay, please feel free to review. The addresses are still wrong for the entities, okay? NICOLINI Law Firm, Ida NICOLINI, where's the court stamp? If this statement of claim was certified in 2018, nothing, okay? What the NAIMARK law did in 2019, all right? Got it stamped and got it backdated. Can you see that? Okay, July 3rd, got it backdated and their signature. Okay, please feel free to review. Okay. See details on the discrimination NICOLINI law, the creation of false statements of claim. Okay.